Parker! Yeah! We are in the waiting lobby for the Disney cruise. She got us going on Disney. You ready, Jax?
Yeah, he's excited.
Yeah, he's excited. It was only 2 miles from the airport, so we got on the Disney bus, and now we're in the lobby waiting for our number to be called. What number are we? 3. Here's a little tip, y'all. Take the Disney bus shuttle so you can avoid the long line. That line was really long. We're walking on the ship. It's not even 2 months old.
Disney Destiny, please welcome.
It's Disney Destiny in Sanders World. Woo! She's waving at
Disney Destiny, please welcome.
We just got on the boat. This freaking ship is so nice. Oh my God, not even 2 months old. They're gonna give us our luggage in the room in a couple hours. Look at that Haunted Mansion. We found the Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion vibe.
It's closed, but we'll be back. Look at this. Look at the floor.
So pretty.
Before it gets super crowded, you better get all the details. Just because my girl is a Disney expert, we got to get on the ship early. Look, nobody's here.
Look at this elevator! It's so cool! Look, Scar, Evil Queen, Cruella, Hades, Ursula, Maleficent.
You.
Me. So cool.
We're gonna be hitting that slide, boy. You already know, son. Brand new ship, y'all. We're on the brand new ship, Disney Destiny.
Welcome. Are we signing up for Edge?
Yes.
Have we been to Edge before?
Yes, these are frequent.
On all the boats. So you know the rules, you know everything that we've got going on?
Yeah.
I'm on the hunt to find the spot so I can sign up for the spa before everybody else does and make sure I'm getting my daily spa in. Let's go. First one's on the ship. See, we have many. They got Spider-Man. Let's check this out. Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Woo! Peter Parker! Yeah! The only place where you can see Spider-Man up person. Found the spot where I'm gonna get my daily routine going and fitness. I'm gonna get her to do some squats. Check it out. We'll come back here before dinner. But yeah, nice gym. Signed up for the spa. I'll be here every day. And it's only like $200 for the whole time here. They have sauna, steam room, everything that I need after a good workout. Can't wait. Activity room. We're gonna have different events here with DJ, y'all. Neverland Cinema. They have all these different little cinemas around the ship in case you want to wind down after a long day of being on the pool deck. Little details. They have the Captain Hook and the Tinkerbell lights. Go down the slide to the Oceaneers Club. That's awesome. Let's go! That's sick. But we haven't even been here 10 minutes. Look at all your plates. What'd you have?
I had desserts, 2 desserts with ice cream, apple crumble, tikka masala, chicken,
Lamb.
I ate a lot. Jax, what'd you have?
What'd you eat?
Some shrimp and chicken.
Was it good? Yeah. Phenomenal. Yeah. A favorite place on the ship? Did you eat good, bud?
I ate, so I'm very cold.
It's 12 o'clock, y'all. It's time to see the room. Incredible, sick. Just like I said, y'all, the bags are right here in front of my door. Let's see the penthouse. Oh, you got a little present, babe.
What is it? So,
Oh,
Disney-
look at the bed.
we got Hercules floor.
What's in the bag?
Oh, what did I get? I got a brown bag. City Club.
Burgundy bag. I'd rather be on your side, dude. You got the balcony. Bro, we finally left. Bye, Fort Lauderdale. It's a little stormy now, but I know the sun's coming. We're still gonna hit the slide and we're still gonna get active. Look at the Lion King restaurant. Look at the detail in it, damn. It's called Pride Land's Feast of the Lion King. We're gonna have to eat there one time. Now I think we're gonna go get a tour of the spa. Let's get it. Let's get it. Where are you from?
I'm all the way from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Yes.
I heard it's beautiful over there.
It is beautiful.
Much wildlife.
There.
That's amazing. Amazing. So we got the cold room, dry sauna. Look at this shower.
So we
Beautiful.
have our 2 hot tubs out here.
We got the hot tub. Woo, it's hot. So we got massages. They do facials. Now it's time to go find some more food.
Yeah, that's same.
Sick. There's a sail away party going on. All these people, we were one of the first people on the Disney Destiny cruise. Bye. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
We got a whole court. They got games going on. If you want a game while you're on the ship, go to Vibe. They got the video games in there. And on the ship.